This is my YouTube studio that you can see here. This is analytics. This is my content. Now let me shock you. If you go down here to where I have my published content, you can see my live stream. Look at the number of live streams that I uploaded in the last 28 days. I uploaded just 15 live streams. I uploaded 11 videos, just 11 videos in the last 28 days. I'm going somewhere. And I uploaded just 8 shorts in the last 28 days. Now let me shock you. Let me now go over to my subscribers. Okay. Now, if you look at my subscribers, let's still see in the last 28 days. Let's not even go further, just the last 28 days. From my videos, you can see 2,000 subscribers. If I click on it, of course, it's more than that. My shorts, but that's not even what I'm looking at. But let's look at that first. My shorts, 24 subscribers. My live stream, 45 subscribers. Now, you will see 24% more than the previous 28 days. 41% more than the previous 28 days. Look at my live stream, 275% more than the previous 28 days. Now, one thing I tell a lot of people is, from your live stream you can get a lot of subscribers. Now I'm going to show you a particular site that you can use to get a lot of subscribers on your live stream, so that even if you're not getting views on your channel, you still get these subscribers. And this one is very legit. This site is free. You're not going to get copyright claim, you're not going to get copyright strike on your channel. And also, this particular one works for every niche. Now, after I show you this particular free sites that would definitely work for you and you will have fun doing it, I'm also going to come back and show you 2 methods that would work for you. Even if you don't have views on your channel, they will work for you. So just stay with me. Do not miss out on any part of this video. You go to your browser. I'm using Chrome browser here. Okay, so what you want to do is to just go ahead and type StreamYard.com. This is it exactly. Then you just tap on it. Okay, guys, this is something that I use. Whatever it is I'm teaching you here, you will see that very good. So if you look here, you're going to see some of the streams that I have already created. Why your channel isn't growing, 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch hours. That is to tell you that I use it. And if you notice, you see my 2 channels are connected here. So that means this is whatever I teach you, I do it too. It will not get you any copyright claim or copyright strike. So what you want to now do is to come here to where you have create. Okay, so what you want to just do is to tap on create. Now when you tap on create, okay, and it is easy for you to link your channel, so you just come here and tap on live stream, because you want to live stream, right? You just tap on live stream. Now when you come here, you're going to see source, studio, you're going to see pre-recorded video. This is these are my 2 channels here. So you can see here, you want to just leave it on studio. You tap on studio first. Now after tapping on studio, if you've not connected your channel, what you just need to do is to come here and tap on plus, this plus sign that is here. Tap on plus. Now you can see different platforms that use this particular site. This site is legit, but here we are using it for YouTube. So you just go ahead and tap on YouTube. Now when you tap on YouTube, this particular place, I blurred it because it contains my email address. Do you understand? So what you want to do is to just tap on the email address that is linked to your YouTube channel, the one that you used to open up your YouTube channel. So all you just need to do is to tap on it, and then it's going to like connect to your channel. It's going to link your channel. Do you understand? So after you must have done that, you now go ahead, because I've already linked my channel, there's no need for me to go ahead to that part. You just go ahead and tap on your channel. So let's assume I'm using this particular channel that I'm filming this video on. You tap on that channel, then you just go ahead, tap on the title of your live stream. Now this title, you want to make your title very, very catchy, and at the same time you want it to be related to your niche. I want that as you're getting the subscribers, they're also watching your videos. Just ensure the title that you're putting there is something that you know that people will address a pain point. For example, if I put 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch hours on my own title, definitely I'm going to get a lot of people, even people who do not know me. They are going to click on that live stream because this particular title definitely addresses one of their pain points. So that's what you want to look out for. So let me just put anything, because this is just a demo video. I'm not going to go live actually. So let me just put 1,000 subscribers fast or something. Okay, so here I'm still going to put in the same, maybe get 1,000 subscribers fast or so. Right now, after that, what you want to now do is to come here and make it public. This place that says public, ensure it is public, privacy. No, don't, there's no need to schedule for later, except if you know you don't want to go live now. Okay, then you come here and tap on create live stream. So you can see one moment. So just hold on for it. So you can see entering studio. Now it gives a pro tip. You can upload short video clips in the brand section. Okay, but that's not even what we are doing now. So now you can see this particular interface. You can see me here. Now it shows here that my mic is working. You just want to do a little check. So you can see my display name. You can see everything. Then you enter studio. Now when you enter studio, it's not going to automatically start the live stream, so you are good, you are still free. So what you want to now do is this place that says show comments on stage. It is only if you are subscribed to this particular site, but there's no need. So you accept if you want to. If you want to, it's okay. With time, I'm going to subscribe to this particular site so I can also bring up your comments on stage. Now you come to this second icon here. Now this one is for your banner. Now you want that anybody that is coming on your live stream will immediately see something on your screen and follow it. So on your banner, what you want to just put is create banner. So I might just type subscribe to my channel. Okay, subscribe to my channel to get, you now tell them to get maybe watch hours fast or something, like something that is related to your own channel. So when you tap on that one, you just tap on add banner that is here. So you can see it's here already. It's already part of the banners that I have. These are some of the banners that I've used in the past. So what I'm going to do is to just tap on that add banner. Now you can see it on my screen. So anybody that is joining my live stream will definitely see this subscribe to my channel to get watch hours, and they are going to easily subscribe. And the good thing about live streaming is if anybody has not subscribed to your channel, they will see it on your screen. It will be easy for them to just hit the subscribe button and they'll be subscribed to your channel. Okay, now after you must have done that, now the interesting part. Okay, so what you want to do is you come to these three dots that are here. You can see guests. Okay, so you can see guests. What you want to just do is to tap on guests. Now you can see invite guests. You now tap on invite guests. You can see it will now generate for you a link. So it says here invite guests to the studio. Send this link to your guests. You may also want to share our instructions for guests. You can have up to 6 people on screen at once. So what you want to do, and if you even need more people, you can just upgrade, but there's no need, but that's not what I'm showing you right now. So you go ahead and tap on copy. Now you now go back. So you now go back to this particular icon that is here. Okay, and then tap on this post a comment and then paste that link there and send it. So once you do that, what you want to do is to now click on go live. I don't want to click on go live now, so my people will not start joining. As people are joining your live stream, you're now going to tell them that you see that link that is there. You want to click on that link. I'm going to bring you up stage. Guys, as long as people sees that, oh, you can actually bring them up to also benefit from this thing that you have also shown them that you do, your title, your everything, you've already shown them this is what they're looking to get on your channel. You now still want to bring them up again. Trust me, they're going to be so excited and it will get a lot of people attracted and more people will want to stay because you'll be telling them that, oh, after this person, I'm going to bring up another person. So most people would want to stay. And you tell them that ensure you are subscribed so you can bring them up. Even if you do not have a lot of subscribers on your channel, as long as you go live, there's always like a surge on your channel. Now surge means there is a time you just have a lot of people join at once and you can actually lose them immediately if you're not doing the right thing. But trust me, if a lot of people join at once and they now see that, oh, you even have some people on stage, they will be attracted, they want to stay. They'll be attracted by your title, they'll be attracted by your what you're already placed as your banner on your screen. Now after that one, that is just one strategy that you can use and you will get a lot. I showed you my analytics. I got over 275% more engagement on my live stream in the last 28 days, and I used this particular strategy in this last 28 days. In fact, I just started using it. So you want to use this. Now the second thing you want to do is your favorite content creators on YouTube, including me. Let me just remind you, if you've not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, and if you've not given this video a thumbs up, please give this video a thumbs up, okay, so you can get a lot more content creators like you. Now you want to pick your favorite subscribers. Now you want to go ahead to their channels and subscribe. Not just subscribe, you want to turn on post notification bell. so that immediately they upload the video, you will quickly get notified. Now, there is something that some smart people do on my videos. I've noticed some people like that. I'm not going to mention names, but the thing is, immediately I post my video, what some people do is to go ahead to my comment section, and immediately they will post a comment, and then they will start a call to action. Now, that call to action is to get people to start subscribing. Trust me, the first person to post that starts to get, as long as you are getting other people under you, fine, they are going to be supporting themselves there. But you that started that call to action, it is you that will get the most subscribers. That is the way it is. But ensure you watch the video so that YouTube will not spam you. Now, what you now want to do is to go over to your own video, your own channel. Ensure you have a video of 3 minutes 5 seconds. Now, the reason I said 3 minutes 5 seconds is because I want it to be seen as a long form video. At the same time, I don't want it to be too lengthy for people. Now, the thing with YouTube is sometimes you see that you might be getting subscribers, but maybe today you get plus 20 subscribers, tomorrow you're seeing minus 10 subscribers. Sometimes people are not actually going to unsubscribe. It is YouTube that is removing them, because YouTube will take them as invalid subscribers if they do not do the right thing. Now you're going to get them to do the right thing. Sometimes if you have a lot of videos on your channel, lengthy videos on your channel, nobody will stay and watch. Let's just be practical. It is 3 minutes 5 seconds. It's already outside the short time span, because short time span is from 1 second to from 3 minutes and below, right? So above is for your long form video. So just do 3 minutes 5 seconds video and post it. And now when you are the first person to post a comment on that section, tell people that you have a 3 minutes 5 seconds video there. They should just go ahead and watch that particular one. It is very short, so when they watch that one, they should just subscribe to your channel. YouTube would definitely count that subscription, because it will see that, oh, they subscribed from this particular video, and the reason they subscribe is because that video was probably valuable to them. Now, the final thing you want to do is to now start uploading shorts. On my last video, I showed you how to use a particular free app, okay, a free site, to get a lot of shorts easily from your own long form video. Now, the reason I keep saying from your own long form video is because I want that people who are subscribing would be interested in your own content, in what you actually do, and will be able to watch. If you've not watched that video, you want to go ahead and watch that particular video, because it will definitely help you and to make life easier for you, to make this content creation thing easier for you. So what you want to do, because some people were asking me how many should I upload, you can upload just like 2 shorts per day using that particular method. They will give you the SEO optimized title, SEO optimized description. So what else? You will get a lot of people. Do not forget, if you've not gotten registered for my September 13 class, go ahead and register for it now, because you're going to gain a lot. I'm going to take you through the A to Z of your YouTube studio. Your YouTube studio can actually make you go viral only if you know how to read it, only if you know how to interpret it the right way, and it is just 5,000 naira. Click on that link, it will redirect you to my Instagram page. You can get registered for that class. It's just some days from now, so do not miss out on it. And until then, keep winning, keep getting subscribers, keep getting watch hours on your channel. Bye for now.